So hello guys, I am Surbi and today I'll show you how you can draw this beautiful and easy mandala from scratch. So if you are a beginner then keep watching because I'll be explaining everything in this video. So now let's begin. So first we need to draw the outermost circle for our mandala. So grab your scale and compass and select a radius of 6.5 centimeter and then draw a circle of 6.5 centimeter. And after drawing the circle, grab your scale and divide the circle into two parts. So draw two lines like this and divide this circle into four parts. And then we will start to draw grid. So grab your protractor and place it on these three lines like this. Like place your protractor on right angle. And then start marking at 10 degrees. So place your protractor on right angle and mark at 10 degrees each. So mark at both these sides. We are not going to mark at the other side of the circle because these points are enough to draw grid. So we are marking at just one side and then we will start to draw grid lines. So grab your scale and place it like this and place your pencil on the center and on this mark and draw a line. So we are going to draw grid lines like this. Place your scale like this and connect these marks with the center. So we are going to connect all these lines with the center. So draw grid lines like this and make sure that every line goes through the center because it is the perfect way to draw the grid. And try to draw grid perfectly because if the grid is perfectly drawn then it will help in drawing mandala. So if a grid is perfectly drawn then the patterns look similar. So let's complete drawing the grid. So now the grid is completed and after drawing the grid we will mark 4 circles. So grab your scale and place it from the center like this and then mark at 0.5 centimeter each. So mark at 0.5 centimeters apart in the whole circle. So first mark at 0.5 centimeter, then 1, then 1.5 centimeter, then 2 centimeter. So mark in the whole circle like this. And then we will draw circles. So after marking, turn your sketchbook like this and then start drawing the circles because it makes it easier to draw the circles. So draw circles as we marked at 0.5 centimeters apart. So draw all these circles and make sure you draw all these circles with pencil. So now let's complete drawing all these circles. And if you're someone who wants to learn mandala from basics to advanced, you can learn it from my beginners mandala course. In that course I have explained everything. I'll drop the link in the description. So after drawing the circles we will start to draw mandala. So the first circle which I have drawn is of 1 centimeter. So draw the first circle of 1 centimeter and the others are perfectly fine. So now draw the first two circles with the pen and after that in the center make a design like this and also a small circle and then fill the complete circle with black. So this is the center design. So now let's complete this. So after completing the center design we will start to draw patterns in the first row. So use two of these circles and two of these grid lines and draw one long petal and then draw a line and a dot. So use these two circles and two grid lines draw one long petal and draw a line and a dot. So after drawing the petal, draw a line in the first row and dot in the second row. Draw a long petal, draw a line and a dot. So we are going to complete this row by using this very simple pattern. So now let's complete this row. Then start drawing small circles in the gap between these two petals like this. So draw a small circle in gap between the petals. So let's complete drawing these circles. After completing this, in the next row use one grid line and one circle and draw one spiral. So in this row we are going to draw spirals like this in opposite directions. So keep drawing spirals in opposite directions using one grid line and one circle. So in each grid line we are drawing one spiral facing opposite directions. So now let's complete this row. So now this row is completed. For the next row we will use two of these circles and two grid lines and draw one rounded petal. So use two of these grid and two of the circles and draw one rounded petal. Then double the lining of the rounded petal. Draw a line in the middle and then draw straight lines at one side and at another side draw a line and a dot. Double the lining of the rounded petal, draw a line, draw some more lines and then draw a line and a dot. So we will complete this row by using this same pattern. So now let's complete this row. So now this row is also completed. After completing this, in the next row use two of the circles and one grid line and draw one long petal like this. Draw one long petal using two circles and one grid like this. And then double the lining of the petals. Then draw a design at a corner and fill the remaining petal like this. So we will repeat this pattern, double the lining of this petal and then make a design at a corner, then fill the remaining petal. And make sure that you make design in the first line from the upside like this and then fill the remaining petal. So now let's complete this row. And also if you want you can fill these petals completely without making a design. So you can make it as you want. So now this row is also completed. Then for the next row use three of these circles and two of the grids and draw one pointed petal. So use three of the circles and two grids and draw one pointed petal like this. and then double the lining of the pointed petal. Then draw a line in the middle and then draw diagonal lines at both sides like this, and we will also draw diagonal lines at another side. So draw diagonal lines at both sides. And this pattern is completed. So double the lining of the pointed petal, then draw a line in the middle, then draw diagonal lines at both sides. So we are going to complete this row by using this pattern. So now let's complete this row. So this row is also completed. Now we will draw patterns in the last row. So in the last row, use this space between two petals and draw one drop petal like this. Use the space between these two petals and then draw one drop petal. And we are going to make lotus design. So draw two more petals like this to make a lotus at both sides like this. Don't touch these petals to the line of the grid and make lotus petals. So we are going to complete this row by making this lotus design and also darken the outline of this lotus to give it a better finishing. So we are going to complete this row by making this lotus petals and then darkening the outline for the best finishing. So now let's complete this row. So now this row is also completed. Just erase all these extra lines. And now our mandala is completed. So if you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments and also tell me what kind of tutorials I should make next. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.